Are you noticing muscle loss as you age? It's something that happens to all of us, but here's the good news. There's one food you can start eating today that can make a huge difference. What is it? Stick around for the next few minutes, and I'll reveal this powerful food that can help prevent muscle loss and keep you strong for years to come. But first, if you're serious about improving your health, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, drop a comment with your thoughts, and share it with anyone who needs this info. Let's dive in. Number 1. Understanding muscle loss aging. As you grow older, you might start noticing a gradual loss of strength, mobility, and muscle mass. It's a common experience for many seniors, but don't let it get you down. Understanding why muscle loss happens can help you take action to preserve your strength. After 30, our body's ability to build muscle naturally begins to decline, and by 60, the process accelerates. This means that keeping your muscles active and strong becomes increasingly important as time goes on. But here's the thing, muscle loss doesn't have to be inevitable. You can slow it down and even reverse it with the right lifestyle changes. Nutrition plays a huge part. While exercise is vital, a balanced diet rich in specific nutrients can keep your muscles healthy and strong. The key is to focus on foods that promote muscle repair and growth. In this number, you'll discover how to fight back against muscle loss by changing your eating habits. If you want to maintain your strength and independence, it's time to make some small, easy adjustments to your diet. Stay tuned to learn more about which foods are your secret weapons in the fight against muscle decline. Number 2. Protein power for muscles. You may have heard that protein is essential for building muscle, but did you know it's even more crucial as you age? As we get older, our muscles require extra care and attention to remain strong. That's where protein comes in. Protein is the building block of muscle tissue, and without enough of it, your body can't repair or grow muscle effectively. For seniors, this means you need to be conscious of getting high-quality protein sources throughout the day. Think lean meats like chicken and turkey, eggs, dairy products, and even plant-based options like beans, lentils, and tofu. Incorporating protein-rich foods into every meal will give your body the tools it needs to fight muscle loss. Unlike younger adults, seniors may need more protein per meal to stimulate muscle protein synthesis effectively. Experts recommend aiming for 25 to 30 grams of protein at each meal. For example, a small chicken breast or a cup of Greek yogurt can get you there. It might seem like a small change, but adding protein-rich foods to your diet can make a big impact on your muscle health. Don't underestimate the power of this nutrient. It's one of the simplest and most effective ways to preserve your muscle strength as you age. So next time you sit down for a meal, make sure protein is front and center. Number 3. Salmon. Boost muscle health. Salmon isn't just a delicious fish, it's also one of the best foods you can eat to protect your muscles as you age. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, salmon can help reduce inflammation and improve muscle protein synthesis. This is especially important for seniors, as inflammation can contribute to muscle loss over time. Omega-3s are essential fats that not only benefit your heart, but also play a critical role in preserving your muscle mass. By eating salmon regularly, you can support your muscles in staying strong and functioning properly. But the benefits don't stop there. Omega-3s have been shown to help improve joint health and mobility, both of which are important as we age. Plus, salmon is a great source of vitamin D, which is crucial for maintaining muscle strength. Seniors often struggle to get enough vitamin D, and a deficiency can lead to muscle weakness and falls. Adding salmon to your diet a few times a week can help boost your intake of both omega-3s and vitamin D, making it an easy and delicious way to combat muscle loss. Don't love salmon? Try other fatty fish like mackerel, sardines, or trout. These fish are all packed with the same muscle-boosting nutrients. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to put this powerhouse food at the top of your grocery list. Number 4. Vitamin D for muscles. If you're feeling weaker or more fatigued than usual, it could be a sign of vitamin D deficiency. This sunshine vitamin plays a vital role in maintaining strong muscles and bones, and as we age, it becomes even more important. Research shows that low levels of vitamin D are linked to increased muscle weakness, which can put seniors at risk for falls and injuries. The good news is that you can boost your vitamin D intake through food and supplements. Foods like fortified milk, eggs, and fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, are excellent sources of this essential nutrient. Vitamin D helps your muscles function properly by regulating calcium levels, which are crucial for muscle contraction. Without enough vitamin D, muscles can become weaker, and recovery from exercise or physical activity can take longer. To top it off, vitamin D also helps with bone health, reducing the risk of fractures. But getting enough vitamin D isn't always easy, especially if you don't get much sunlight. If that's the case, you may need to talk to your doctor about supplements. Incorporating vitamin D-rich foods into your meals can be an easy and effective way to support your muscles and bones as you age. So make sure you're getting enough of this essential nutrient, and keep your muscles strong and healthy for years to come. Number 5. Hydration for strong muscles. You may think hydration is only about quenching your thirst, but it's also crucial for your muscles. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest, yet most effective, ways to keep your muscles healthy and functioning well. Dehydration can cause muscle cramps, weakness, and fatigue, problems that can make it harder to stay active and maintain your strength as you age. For seniors, staying hydrated is even more important since the body's ability to retain water decreases over time. Water helps transport nutrients to your muscles and supports the chemical processes that keep them working properly. Without adequate hydration, your muscles won't be able to function at their best, and you may experience discomfort or weakness. So, how much water do you need? While it varies from person to person, a good rule of thumb is to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. If you're physically active or live in a warmer climate, you may need more. And if you find it hard to drink plain water, try adding a slice of lemon or a splash of coconut water for a refreshing twist. Don't forget that foods like fruits and vegetables, which have high water content, can help with hydration too. So next time you reach for your water bottle, remember that staying hydrated is a key step in preserving your muscle strength and staying active well into your golden years. Conclusion: preventing muscle loss as you age is entirely possible with the right foods and habits. By incorporating protein, omega-3 rich salmon, vitamin D, and staying hydrated, you can significantly improve your muscle health and overall strength. The best part is that these changes are simple and effective, making a lasting difference in your life. Now, if you found any of these tips helpful, even just a little, I'd love to hear from you. Your feedback means the world to me. Drop a comment below sharing your thoughts or experiences. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others.